Hey students, so today we are going to discuss the topic of energy transformation. So this lesson is about energy and how it changes from one form to another. Okay. So what is energy? So energy is the ability to do work or cause change. There are many different forms of energy. So energy is the ability to do work. Simple. Okay. This means energy help things like move, grow, produce heat, or produce light, make sounds, and do work. Okay, and energy is everywhere. Like the sun gives us energy, food gives our body energy, electricity powers our home. Okay, so these are all the forms of energy. So energy can change, like energy can be changed or converted or transformed from one type to another. Like electricity gives light. Electricity gives light. Electricity also produces heat, and food gives us movement or energy. So energy never disappears, it only changes form. Okay. So here we have types of energy: sound energy, light energy, heat energy, energy of motion, and electrical energy. Okay. The first one is sound energy. Okay. So sound energy is energy that is produced when something vibrates, like beating a drum. The stretched drum skin vibrates when struck, produces sound energy. Ringing bell. Vibrations from the bell create sound waves. Okay. Human voice, like your vocal cords vibrate as air passes through them, produces sound. Speakers, electrical energy is converted into sound energy through vibrations of the speaker membrane. Okay. And examples of electrical energy, like a toaster converts electrical energy into heat to toast breads. Okay. A fan converts electrical energy into mechanical energy to rotate blades. A television converts electrical energy into light and sound energy. So electrical energy is energy carried by electricity, like TV, fan, computer. Okay. Light energy, you know sun, electric bulb, laser, they give us light. So they have light energy. Okay. So energy of motion, which is kinetic energy. Like there are many types of energy. One type is kinetic energy, which is the energy an object has when it is moving. Okay. Like kinetic energy is the energy an object has because it is moving. If someone is moving, it means it has kinetic energy. Like flowing rivers, like water moving downstream has kinetic energy. Moving air generates kinetic energy, which can turn wind turbines. Okay. So the next one is heat energy. Like heat energy makes object warm. Okay, like sunlight, heater, volcano, and forest fire. So the next one is energy transformation. Okay. During an energy transformation, the total amount of energy stays the same. So when one type of energy decreases, at least one other type of energy will increase. Okay. It means that an energy transformation is when energy changes from one form to another. And very important rule is that the total amount of energy stays the same. Energy is not created or destroyed, it only changes form. Okay. Electric bulb. Okay. So look at this. When you switch on a bulb, electrical energy is converted into light and heat. So, electrical energy is converted into light energy and heat energy. Why? Because when you switch on a bulb, electricity enters the bulb, it produces light, it also becomes warm because some energy changes into heat. Okay. Car engine. Chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy and heat energy. The fuel in the engine combusts to create mechanical energy to move the car. So basically, chemical energy, which is fuel, converted into mechanical energy and heat energy. Fuel burns inside the engine, the energy released, and it results in moves the car and produces heat. Okay. Microphone. So, sound energy is converted into electrical energy. Like when you speak, sound waves enters a microphone. The microphone changes them into electrical signals, and these signals travel to speakers or recording devices. Okay. Riding a bicycle. So, chemical energy, which is food, okay, converted into kinetic energy. Like you eat food, food stores chemical energy, muscles use that energy, you pedal, and the bicycle moves, okay? So, here we have formula. Kinetic energy is equals to 1 divided by 2 mv square, where m is mass of an object and v is the speed of the light of the speed of an object. Okay. Okay, here we have practice question, which is two people are swimming in a pool. The kinetic energy of each swimmer depends on the swimmer mass and speed. Okay, so we have two swimmers. Compare the two swimmers. Like Emma's mass is 96, its speed is 5, and kinetic energy is 12. And Lance's mass is 32, speed is also same 5, and kinetic energy is 4. Okay, so use the information in the table to compare Emma to Lance. Okay, so first you have to compare the masses of them. Emma's mass divided by Lance's mass, which is 96 divided by 32 gives you 3. Okay, so Emma's mass is 3 times Lance's mass. The result makes sense because Emma's mass is larger than Lance's mass. Okay, then you have to compare speeds. Emma and Lance are both moving at a speed of 5 decimeter per second. So Emma's speed is equals to Lance's speed. Okay, then you have to compare the kinetic energy of them. So divide Emma's kinetic energy by Lance's kinetic energy, which is Emma's kinetic energy divided by Lance's kinetic energy. 12 divided by 4 gives you 3. So Emma's kinetic energy is 3 times greater than Lance's kinetic energy, because this result makes sense because Emma's kinetic energy is larger than Lance's kinetic energy. Okay. Okay, so this slide gives you the complete overview of energy transformation. So as I have told you that during energy transformation, one type of energy decreases and another type is increases. So total energy stays the same. Okay. So during an energy transformation, the total amount of energy stays the same. So when one type of energy decreases, when one type of energy decreases, at least one other type of energy will increase. Like battery, it have electrical energy which changes into light or heat energy. Okay,